Hey everyone, it's your girl Grace. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have this beautiful makeup look. I am so happy how it came out. I wanted to share with you guys and I was like, you know what, let's just throw on a makeup video. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. So I'm going to start off using the Colourpop Lush Life palette. They came out with this collection. I received it in PR a few days ago and I was like, you know what, let me do some makeup. I haven't done makeup in a while, so I'm going to apply some tape. I usually use that just to help me do that sharp edge and, you know, give me a guide where I want that little wing to come out. I did apply a little bit of setting powder just so that if I had any fallout, I will be able to catch it and not mess up any of the foundation, everything else I have already done. So I was starting off with that blue shadow first. I'm going to go ahead and apply that into the outer corner. That blue shadow is Monsoon, and I'm going to apply this right into the outer corner, give me a little wing, bringing it inwards, not all the way. As you guys can see, I didn't apply it all the way in. After that, I'm gonna go with Pom Pom. It's a green lime shade. It's a shimmery shade. It's so beautiful, mixed with this monsoon color. So beautiful. Oh my god, like look at this, it looks so pretty. I always apply setting spray to my brush when I'm applying shimmery shade, so keep that in mind because I do have a lot of people asking me questions. How do I make the shadow stand out so much? From there, I'm gonna go ahead and apply It's Paradise. It's like a gold shade, and that shade is gonna go in the inner corner of the eye. So whatever I didn't apply shadow, that's where I'm applying this one. So it's just in the inner corner tear duct area. And I did apply it wet as well. I went back again with Pom Pom just to make sure that the shadow was as pigmented as I want it. And then I'm just going to go ahead and remove the tape because I don't need it anymore. I'm just going to go and retouch anything that I feel that needs to be retouched just to make sure that both eyes look the same. They're not always going to look the same, but you can try as much as you can. So I'm just retouching, make sure that everything looks good, as you guys can see. Just going back. After that, I'm going to go ahead and apply some concealer. I am using e.l.f. Cosmetics concealer, and I'm going to go ahead and use my beauty sponge and just blend that out. I'm using this as an eyeshadow primer. I don't set it, so just apply it and then go ahead and apply your shadows. From there, I'm going to go ahead with Juicy, and that's a shimmery blue shadow, and I'm going to apply this right into the outer corner of the bottom lash line just to I was going to go with Monsoon, but I was like, you know what, let me try a little bit of a shimmer down there just to make it pop a little bit. So that's what I went ahead and did. Then I'm going back with Pom Pom and applying that right in the center as well. I just felt like those colors look really nice together. And then after that, I went back with It's Paradise and I applied that in the inner corner of the eye and the tear duct area, and then just brought it in, as you guys can see. Just kind of simple dramatic moment, and then just kind of retouching. Then they also came out with 3 eyeliners. I'm gonna use Canopy, that's a green liner, and I'm going to apply this into my waterline, and it is so pretty. Like, they glide on so nicely. I really like the liners, so yeah. After that, they also did come out with 3 cheek duos and 3 glosses. So I'm going to show you guys that in a little bit. I'm just going to go ahead and apply some mascara just to prep the eyes for the falsies. I'm going to go with Wildlife. Sprayed my brush a little bit and apply that to my brow bone just to give me a little bit of shimmer. Prepping my lips. I don't even know why I prepped my lips before, because I wasn't even going to do my lips yet. I was going to apply my lashes. I don't know. Whatever. But yeah, usually just apply some setting powder and then I kind of just blend that into my lips just to keep them matte. Then I'm going with I Love It from Bold Face Makeup. You can use prettygrace for some money off if you guys are interested in getting some lashes. I love their lashes. I reuse them and use them and use them and use them, and they're still good. So yeah, definitely check them out. I will link them down below for you guys as well. So I'm just applying my lashes as close as I can to my real lashes, and then I kind of like to set them up. Here are the 3 glosses that they came out with. I will list them down below for you guys, and these are the 3 cheek duos that they came out with. I thought the cheek duos were lipsticks, so I didn't use them on my cheeks, but yeah. Anyways, for lipstick, I'm using Makeup Forever Cinnamon. That the color is in 104. I decided to apply that because when I applied the gloss by itself, the gloss wasn't doing much for me. So I was like, you know what, I need a color. So I used that one, and then I used the lip gloss. I'll list it down below for you guys on top. And I actually really loved how this look came out, especially with the lips. The colors together look really amazing. So yeah, this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Don't forget to give me some love. I love you guys so much, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye guys.